Imagine a world where training robots for complex tasks takes hours, not years, where high-quality simulations are accessible to anyone with a decent computer and a passion for robotics. That world is no longer a dream, it's Genesis, an open-source platform that is not just a tool but a revolution in robotics and AI. Let's dive deep into why Genesis is being called a game-changer in the field. Genesis isn't just another physics engine, it's a complete simulation ecosystem. Built for speed, simplicity, and accessibility, it removes the traditional barriers that have held robotics research back for decades. Expensive hardware, endless manual processes, complex software, Genesis obliterates those challenges, making advanced simulations accessible to anyone with Python skills. Whether you're a seasoned researcher or a curious enthusiast, Genesis makes innovation faster and easier than ever before. Let's talk speed. Genesis runs simulations up to 430,000 times faster than real life, clocking in at an astounding 43 million frames per second on an RTX 4090 GPU. Compared to popular tools like Isaac Gym and Mujoko, Genesis is 10 to 80 times faster. What does this mean in practical terms? Robots can train for decades worth of experience in just an hour. This isn't just about speed, it's about unlocking possibilities. Neural networks for tasks like object manipulation or walking can now be trained in hours instead of decades. Imagine what this could mean for industries like healthcare, logistics, and even space exploration. Genesis shines in three major areas: physics, visuals, and scalability. Its robust physics engine handles rigid bodies, fluids, and soft materials seamlessly. Unlike many platforms relying on C++ or CUDA, Genesis is built natively in Python, making it accessible and user-friendly. Genesis also excels in visuals. Its advanced ray tracing delivers photorealistic rendering, ensuring simulations look as good as they perform. High-quality visuals are essential for presentations, research, and collaboration. And then there's automation. Using natural language prompts, Genesis can generate entire 3D worlds, realistic object behaviors, and animations. This saves countless hours of manual work, allowing developers to focus on innovation. Scalability is another area where Genesis outperforms. It can run up to 100,000 parallel simulations simultaneously. This means AI models trained on Genesis are far more prepared for real-world scenarios. And the best part? Genesis is open source. From installation to customization, everything is designed to be intuitive. A simple pip install command gets you started, and the community-driven development ensures constant innovation and support. But Genesis isn't stopping here. Its roadmap includes features like facial animation, character motion, and large-scale environment simulations. Researchers are already using it to create what they call 4D dynamic worlds, combining 3D environments with motion over time. This versatility extends beyond robotics. From video game development to AI-generated animations, Genesis is paving the way for a wide range of applications. Genesis isn't just faster, smarter, and more accessible. It's empowering. By lowering the barriers to entry, it democratizes robotics and AI research. Small teams and independent developers can now compete with well-funded institutions, pushing the boundaries of innovation. This is more than just a tool, it's a movement toward a future where anyone can bring their ideas to life. Genesis is redefining what's possible in robotics and AI. What do you think? Is Genesis the future of simulation? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more updates on groundbreaking technologies, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.